Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahi ala taufiqihi wa imtinanihi wa shukru lahu ala ihsan wa salatu wassalamu ala rasulih ad-da'i ila ridwani amma ba'd. Okay, so this video I will tell you a brand product or something called Unity. You have heard of it. So in this video I will tell you and share about Unity. What is Unity? Okay. So let me just explain it first. So Unity is a game engine that you make games in the template with whatever is 3D, 2D, or something like retro stuff. You can make it in Unity. So Unity is a cross-platform game engine developed by Unity Technologies, first announced and released in June 2005 at Apple Worldwide Developers Conference as a Mac OS X game engine. The engine has since been gradually extended to support a variety of desktop, mobile, console, and virtual reality platforms. It is particularly popular for iOS and Android mobile game development. It's considered easy to use for beginner developers and is popular for indie games developments. So I'll tell you the history. So the Unity game engine launched in 2005, aiming to democratize game development by making it accessible to more developers. It was shown at Worldwide Developers Conference 2005 by Scott Forstall. So Forstall is an American software engineer, very popular, known for leading the original software development team for the iPhone and iPad. He is also a Broadway producer known for co-producing the Tony Award-winning Fun Home clips with Molly Forstall, his wife, among others, on Mac OS X. So this Unity brand is developed by Scott Forstall in the 2005. And the next year, Unity was named runner-up in the Best Use for Mac OS X Graphics category in Apple's Inc. Apple Design Awards. Unity was initially released for Mac OS X, later adding support for Microsoft Windows and web browsers. So the history of this Unity was uh, really understanding, and it's really making me up. So Unity, what I loved and why do I use this Unity and talk about Unity, because I really love to I really love to make games, especially 3D games, because uh first thing that I discovered this thing is using Blender. Yeah, Blender is also a template game, or not a game, it's just a template. So in Blender, we can build module stuff, 3D, 2D, by sculpting, using geometry nodes and stuff. That's a lot. So let me show you the website here. Hold on. Okay, so let's see. Okay, welcome to Unity. We are the world's leading platform for creating and operating interactive, real-time 3D content. We empower creators across industries and around the world. So yeah, Unity is really popular in around this world because it's really you really know it's very familiar for you too, because we know like Subway Surfers, what else, like mobile game stuff on your app stores. Basically they're really uh most of the games are created by Unity, and those communities are really good. Okay, here are their leaderships. There's a really, really good guys, broad board of directors, and yeah, Unity is very, really around for making games, communities. So I think this is all the concept of games. Yeah, they make 3D content, retro and stuff. Unity made those stuff, and these are the tools for making templates for options templates. We have Unity Engine. This is the original one. With Unity's flexible architecture and C hashtag foundation, you can create any kind of game and style you want. Next one is P3. Ever heard of this? Enhance environments with procedural modeling, flexible art tools, and giving asset library and photogrammetry workflows. Next, we have Unity AI tools. Oh, this one's, I guess, this barely advanced one. This one advanced. Wanna open up new worlds of possibility and become more productive with AI tools that are transforming game development. Next up, we have Unity Cloud. Bring order to development chaos with an ecosystem of solutions that are more creator focused, accessible, and connected. So Unity Cloud is more of a dev side, development side. Developers, this is for the developers. Next one is Parsec. Artists, developers, and others can connect to your studio from wherever inspiration strikes with near zero latency. So Parsec is the community stuff. It's where you it's like what is like it's not more of a template, but it's more of like I mean it's a template, but it's more of a connect studio. This is studio. Okay, the last one we have sync sketch. Connect your team's tools and workflow in real time to visualize projects and execute together faster. So sync sketch is the last flow to make the game possible. So we have we have Unity. This is the template for making the game, the inner game, like where you make characters, module, the maps, the background. We made it here. And speed tree is to enhance the environments. So it'll be like the the last thing for the module to do to enhance them. And this is the optional thing, I guess, in Unity AI tools. So this is AI thing. And Unity Cloud is it's for, hmm, it's more of like a development stuff for making the game more attractive and more safe, I guess. And Parsec is where to is this is the studio, and this is for the last flow where you test your prototype game, I guess. Yeah, I think that's it for Unity. I can explain not much because I just know Unity from one of my favorite YouTubers that always complaining about this game Unity, and look at that. They make games. This is the examples of their games that they made. Look, there's even Subway Surf and stuff. These made by Unity, it's very very neat. So yeah, look, this is one of the games, Marvel Snap. They made this, and we can have subscription plan for uh, entering this Unity community. And yeah, I guess that's all I can talk you talk about this Unity. And thank you so much for listening. This also one of my English projects, so I have to do this stuff. And Yeah, I hope you guys understand about this Unity and hope you guys enjoy your life, your day better. As I say, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.